how to transfer eFootball's mobile account to your PC. Once you open eFootball on your PC, scroll to the top right corner where it says extras. Inside extra, go to the section called support. Inside support, go on the option link Konami ID. Now once you open this, it'll give you a QR code. And at the bottom, it has given you a link. So what you can do is open up your phone and scan this QR code. It'll take you to Konami's website where you can link your account. From there, just log in into your Konami ID on that website, and all of your credit which has been saved on your mobile's Konami ID will be saved over here. So basically you are going to have two accounts, but it's going to be linked with each other. So if you buy a player or if you buy coin on your mobile ID, it's also going to show up over here. Your account is going to be different, but all the things which you have on your mobile account will also be available on your PC account. It's that simple. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.